Good morning children, this is Vikesh from Mamletazi School Jhansi. I am your science teacher. So today we are going to start a very new chapter, that is heat. So what is a heat? Actually the heat is a form of energy and we get energy by friction. When you rub your palm during winter, what will happen? Your palm getting hot. That means heat is a form of energy. So let's see what is a definition of heat. Heat means energy which is moved between two things when one of them is hotter than the other. Means if you want to feel the heat, that means there is a variation in two temperature, then only you will understand that one thing is hotter than other. Got it? In winter you feel cold inside the house. If you come out in the sun, you feel warm. In summer you feel hot even inside the house. So how do we know whether an object is hot or cold? So answer is that by our body temperature. As you know that your body temperature is 37 degrees centigrade. Now if anything temperature is more than 37 degrees centigrade, means you can compare the temperature with your body temperature. So if the temperature is more than 37 degrees centigrade, then we say it is hot, and if it is below 37 degrees centigrade, we say it is cold. So what we are doing, we are comparing the things with our body temperature, then only we know the things are hot or cold. But we see that some objects are cold while some are hot. You also know that some objects are hotter than others while some are colder than others. So how do we decide which object is hotter than the other? So for understand this thing, we will do some activity. As already I will told you that we will measure the things are hot or cold by touching, but this touch is really reliable. So we will conduct one activity. You have seen I have taken two bowls or two containers, A, B and C. In the A you have a cold water, in B you have a hot water, and in C you are having a mix, means hot and cold both. Okay, now what you will do, now dip your left hand in the mug A and then right hand in the mug B. Okay, so both hand togetherly, in the one hand in A and one hand in B. After keeping the hand in the two mugs for 2 to 3 minutes, put both the hands simultaneously in mug C. Now one by one you will put your hand. First of all A hand into the mixed water, then B hand into the mixed water. Do both hands get the same feeling? Now you will find out that both are getting a same feeling. I don't think so, because a reliable measure of a hotness and object is its temperature. Okay, so we will measure the temperature with the hand, but this is not a reliable, so we need a instrument, because when you will put the cold hand into the mixed water and hot into the mixed water, you will not measure that it is a hot or cold. So we need some instrument to measure the temperature, and that is called thermometer. So you can try it at home. It is very safe, but hot water you can very carefully about the hot water. It is just a little warm. Okay, so please conduct this activity at your home. Now the next heading, so how do we measure the temperature? Because by touching we cannot measure the exactly temperature. We need an instrument, and that instrument is called thermometer, which can use during the fever also. So we measure temperature with an instrument called the thermometer. Okay, so have you seen a thermometer? I hope so. Everybody has seen, and I will also show you the thermometer. Recall then when you are or some else in your family had fever, the temperature was measured by the thermometer only. Okay, so in the next video definitely I will show you the thermometer. So today we have discussed about the definition of heat, and then we have discussed that the touch is not a reliable to measure the hotness of an object or the coldness of the object, because when you will put your both hand one by one into the mixed water, you will not recognize that it is a hot or cold. So please try to conduct this activity at your home in the presence of your parents also, please. Thank you.